here's one more demo before Christmas hits. I'm just going to do this one as a real quick demo. It's not going to be a whole lot of teaching involved, but hopefully you can use this to help you to be able to play at least the beginning of O Holy Night. As you see over here, I've got O Holy Night. So let's take a look at this. So here's the music for O Holy Night. We're going to first go over the left hand, the chords. You might notice that they are broken chords. They look like this. But for right now, we're just going to learn them as blocked chords. And when I highlight this, you're going to see at the bottom, the highlighted chord. So the first chord is a C chord. The first change is going to be over here on the F chord. Notice that all we're doing is changing the middle and top note and moving them up a step. C, F, A. Let's go ahead and scroll down and see if there's anything else new in here. We do have a G chord also. We already know this G chord. It's made up of B, D, and G. And then as we scroll down a little more, we've got a couple more chords in here. We have an E minor chord. Now from E minor, we're going to be at C. To get to E minor, we are going to change the bottom note. Now this one you'll notice it's a little bit different when we get to the broken version. I'll show you this. We're playing these bottom three notes. B, E, G. And then the B chord is going to be way up here. It's going to be a D sharp, F sharp, B. This is the hardest part, so let me show you this. For the E minor chord, we're going to play B, D, G, then E, G, B. And then to get to the B chord, we're going to leave the thumb here, move these fingers down to get to D sharp, F sharp, and have this. And we end with an E minor chord. Okay, real quick, gonna go over the right hand notes. I'm just gonna show you this. We start on E. I'm only gonna show it one time, but you can always rewind and keep playing it over and over again. All right, so now all we want to do is see what the left hand is going to do. Left hand is playing broken chords, as I said. So let's take a look at this first chord. C. We're just playing bottom, middle, top, bottom, middle, top. So just get used to playing bottom, middle, top. The next chord is F. Same thing. Always going to be doing the same thing here. So let me show you this with both hands. Here's both hands together, and I'll do my best to get my left hand in place in time after I hit play. Okay, so that is just half of that melody, but at least gives you a start on the tune. And if you'd like more, let me know. I'll see if I can put more of this up for you. Thank you so much. If you liked that video, please give me a like. If you have any comments, please leave them underneath. And If you want to see more videos, look to the ones over on the right of the screen right now and take a look at one of these or any of my other videos. And please subscribe if you want to see anything new when it comes up. Thanks a lot.